Video lang tayo for this SRC Night Viper. May kasama na siyang case. So shoutout kay Sir NL. Ayan. So SRC Pit Viper. Ito yung entry nila for the Pit Viper John Wick 4. And naka fiber optic sights, front sights, and then may TTI markings. Adjustable yung trigger. Sa magwell may TTI markings din. Pit Viper markings. So magazine capacity is 26 rounds. So kasama na yung case pagka binili nyo. Test natin. Teka boss ah. Yan, 348, 342. Ano siya, naka dual power system na. And then ayan, naka fix yung barrel. So hindi siya maalog. For the price, check nyo lang